Hello, everyone! As I introduced in Part 1, we have covered the basics of our Form Builder feature. Now, let's explore some of its advanced functionalities, including automation, sharing, and permissions. Let's get started! As mentioned in the previous video, I run a toy business with plush toys as the main products. By using the Form Builder, I have been able to save time and manage everything more efficiently. Because of this, I've decided to expand my business and start taking custom orders based on customer requests. I have created a form builder to collect information for this order, including whether they want to order from the available options or with their own custom design. Here, we have two cases: available options or requesting a custom design. I really want my customers to have different handling processes based on their selection. I have set up the conditions and corresponding outcomes in the automation section. Let's check it out. The first automation I set up is for the case where the customer selects available options. First, let's start by selecting the option for when this condition will be triggered. When the form result is, there are two trigger options: when the form result is created or when the form result is updated. We will have two sections: the condition, if, and the desired outcome, then. In the IF section, there are several options. First, you can select from the form fields you previously set up. Then, based on the chosen field, you have different conditions to apply. If the field is empty, if the field is not empty, if it matches a specific condition. If it does not match a specific condition, for the condition-based options, you will need to input the specific condition value here. In the Then section, there are two possible outcomes: sending a message or triggering a webhook. If you choose to send a message, you can select the recipient, the person who submitted the form, the team, specific fixed members. If you choose webhook, you will need to configure the webhook to send data to an external system. Here, I have set up a scenario where if the customer selects available options, a message will be sent to them with instructions on accessing the website link to choose from the available designs. Let's take a look at the second automation I set up. In this case, if the customer selects requesting a custom design, a message will be sent to confirm that their order form has been received. Additionally, another action is triggered to send an email to a workspace member, notifying them of a new order. I want to test how these two automations will work. First, set up a workflow and select the previously configured form in the Form Submit block. Next, I will simulate a real customer interaction by chatting with the system, requesting a custom design order to trigger the form display, filling out the form, and submitting it. First, I will select the Requesting a Custom Design option. I have received a message confirming that my order has been received. Now let's check if, as the selected member, I receive the configured email notification. Okay, that means I have successfully received the email. Now, let's test the other automation by selecting available options and see if I receive the message with instructions to visit the website and order from the available designs. Automation is truly working well. Now I have another concern. How can I send these orders to my order coordination staff without adding them to the workspace? Let me try using the share function and see how it works. I have set up a role called admin for the workspace, added the order coordination staff's email, and assigned the appropriate permissions for the form fields. Copy the share link here to send it to my staff. When my staff accesses this link, they will be required to enter their email. If the email matches one that has been added to the form, they will receive an OTP via email. If the OTP is valid, they will be able to view the form results based on the permissions I have assigned to them. Okay, everything seems to be working exactly as I need. Thank you all for watching. If you have any feedback or thoughts on this feature, please let us know.